is going to help you understand your skin better. So let's just go into it. So now, skin that lacks oil is called a lipidic skin, right? Now, skin that lacks water is called dehydrated skin. That people say dry skin. So now, skin that now overproduces oil because it has lost water. Listen very well. Skin that overproduces oil because it has lost water is called a damaged barrier, behaving like an oily skin. So don't come and start saying that, oh, I have oily skin because your skin is producing oil. It may be that your skin barrier is damaged. So now another one is skin that is red, sensitive after you've introduced a new active or a new product to your skincare routine. It's called a reaction. It could be ICD or ACD. Either ways, what you should do is you need to stop using that product. Now, skin that have been that you normally describe, if someone asks you what's your skin type and you be like, oh, sometimes my skin is oily, sometimes my skin is combination skin, or you say I have a sensitive skin, sometimes you say your skin is dry, sometimes you say it's dry with some redness. It's called a barrier that needs a break. When once you get to that point where you do not understand your skin type again, it's a sign that your skin needs a break, not a new product, not a new serum. I hope this video has helped you. Bye.